Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the process of replacing the laser in your Leyre Lamarque Orgoite-Conga 3390, you will need the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a set of tweezers, and a microfiber cloth for internal cleaning. Make sure to have these tools ready before starting the repair. 1. Power off the device. First, ensure that the device is completely powered off and unplugged from any electrical outlets to avoid any electrical hazards. 2. Remove the outer casing. Using the Phillips screwdriver, locate and unscrew the screws on the back panel of the device. There are typically 4 to 6 screws that need to be removed. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. Gently pry the casing off using the flathead screwdriver if necessary. 3. Access the laser assembly. Once the outer casing is removed, locate the laser assembly. It is usually situated near the center of the device. You may need to disconnect some wires carefully to gain full access to the laser unit. If you are unsure about handling these components, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to assist you. 4. Remove the old laser. There may be additional screws securing the laser unit in place. Remove these screws and gently lift the laser out of its compartment. Take a moment to inspect the area for dust or debris. Use the microfiber cloth to clean the internal components thoroughly before proceeding. This will ensure optimal performance for your new laser. 5. Install the new laser. Carefully position the new laser into the assembly. Make sure it fits snugly and aligns with the mounting holes. Replace any screws that were removed to secure the laser in place. If you don't have the tools or feel uncertain about the installation, keep in mind that we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you. 6. Reassemble the device. Once the new laser is installed, reconnect any wires that were detached. Ensure everything is plugged back in securely. Next, replace the outer casing by aligning it with the device and reinserting the screws you removed earlier. Be cautious not to over-tighten the screws, as this could damage the casing. 7. Testing the device. Before fully closing up the device, plug it in and power it on to test the new laser. Check for functionality to ensure everything is working correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember that we provide a quote before repair, allowing you to understand any additional costs up front. 8. Final touches. If everything functions as expected, power down the device once more and perform a final inspection of the outer casing. Ensure all screws are tightened and that the device is clean before using it again. By following these steps, you will successfully replace the laser in your Leyre Lamarque Orgoite-Conga 3390. If you encounter any difficulties or simply prefer a professional touch, remember we offer no calls, no travel services to assist you with your repair needs. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.